Come on, go get him. You're the cutest girl. Today, I'm having a gardening day today. Actually, it's probably going to be this whole weekend. If you're new here, my name is Shiloh and I work in event operations and management. But this channel is starting to become a little bit life vloggy. And I'm also vlogging what I do in my time off as well. I actually have no idea what's happening with this vlog channel. So at this point in time, I'm just vlogging everything for the memories. This content is right up your alley. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. It really helps my channel. And if you've been here and you've watched a couple of my vlogs, thank you so much. I'm just going to spend some time in the veggie patch and just tidying up all the weeds. I live on the Gold Coast. It's so humid and rainy all the time. I need to constantly pull weeds out of the garden. I live in a rental, so we can't do too much, but I did during COVID. I did make the most amazing lush veggie patch, and I haven't been able to do it again since. Things have just been dying, and the weeds, because I'm working all the time, I can't tend to it every day like I did during COVID and create this lush veggie patch. And I just think also that I've just been putting plants in at the wrong time. It's either been too hot, or there hasn't been enough rain, or the aphids have gotten to everything. So today I am going to get out into the garden. Here we go, let's pull weeds out. I think that's enough for now. Pretty keen to get these seedlings in the ground and finish off the veggie patch that I started yesterday. So I've got a whole bunch of seeds here. Some of the seeds I've collected from plants from the last season in the veggie patch. Got my marker, and I got a whole bunch of these plant tags from Amazon. Got 100. So first I'm going to start off with the little seedling pod things that I put into water yesterday. Here we go. So these little round bits, I guess I'm supposed to pull out. Not good. These are terrible. I think I'm just gonna pull these out. I don't like the quality of them. And I've got this cuttings and seeds mix that I've picked up, so I might just use that instead. What I'm gonna do, I think I might just empty all of this stuff out into a bucket and mix it with this and then put it in here. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So what we have here is we have some dirt seedling mix and random seedling pod carcasses that I've put in here. If you're from Australia and you watch Gardening Australia, you would know Peter Cundall. He is my absolute idol. I love that man, and I was obsessed with Gardening Australia when I was little. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of pull out the seeds and stuff that I'm going to start into the little sheets. And I bought a whole bunch of these online. It's like a local, like an Australian seed company. Obviously you can't buy seeds overseas. They do like a lot of native plants as well. I might attempt doing carrots again. I didn't have any luck last time. I think it may have something to do with like the transplanting of them. They just didn't go so well and ended up really wonky and weird. Anyway, I'm going to write some of these labels and stick them in here, and then we'll start putting the seeds in. Chives. So these are the seeds I've harvested from my chive plants. So they're the flowers and the seeds are little black seeds inside. So hopefully these germinate. What's this one? Oh, these are freesia seeds. Freesias are my favorite. They're my ultimate favorite plant. So the smell is so beautiful. Garlic as well that I've harvested last year. There it is there. I don't think the garlic will germinate, but let's try it. Let's try parsnip. Rocket. Chamomile. Fill up the space in the veggie patch so that the weeds stop growing. Italian parsley for sure. Gai choy. And I'm gonna put the seeds in of these. Oh my gosh, I've just realized I've got all of these seeds as well. You can see the seeds falling out. Garlic. I'm just gonna squeeze that apart. It. So this is all the seeds before I cover them up. And then we've got the parsley and the chamomile. So this is our little seedling shelf. I'm just going to water these and put the lids on them. I think I need to get more of these for these trays. All right, hats on. Got the bin for the weeds. Got you guys to come and keep me company. All right, let's go down. This is currently what I'm working with. Just basically a whole bunch of weeds. There was definitely like a big lizard, a pretty big lizard. Anyway, we must go on. wind. Now I've got some garlic here. I'm gonna see if I can salvage it. It's somewhere under the ground here. Another nice little bit of garlic. All quite midget pieces. Not sure if you can see that. Just a good bit of garlic just there. Sorry, ginger. So there's another rotten bit there. I don't know how good this is. It looks quite squishy. And that is the ginger hole. The ginger hole. Today. Pretty pumped. How's this sky?